Hello, hello, hello. So I have with me Lucas. Yan lang. How to look? Tapat sa vlogs. Tribu long hair. Tribu long hair na talong. May na lang kulang. Mapas ng license sa Verano. License na. Inana akong ganana bike no.
Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drop, it's gonna be on snow day. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting. Get him so wet, then he coasters. I got a selfie with Oprah. I just ain't ever posted. I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't frowned since 06. I ain't cried since 01. My bad, like 6 Flags, and your house is no fun. You can come back to mine though. Your friend and Cupid is fine though. We gon' end on a high note. I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get, cause she don't get too many.
Hey, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our FAB Live. And this afternoon we are in FAB Lab Mindanao. And for today's episode, we were going to be talking about how do we maintain and how do we prepare our laser cutting machines. Alright, I'm JC and I'm one of the staff. Alright, I'm one of them. And before we actually begin, I would like to share who are the people behind the name FAB Lab Mindanao. Okay, let's go!
We envision FAB Lab Mindanao to be an innovation system that transforms ideas for value creation and wealth generation. This open makerspace is a technology access center for micro, small, and medium enterprises, students, and researchers who want to make almost anything.
We all know DOST's thrust towards science, technology, and innovation. And when we talk about innovation, FAB Lab will always be there, especially in the area of initiating new designs and new concepts, and also in contributing towards the upgrading of the present technologies utilized by the micro, small, and medium enterprises.
The concept of FAB Lab was DTI's entry to jumpstart Industry 4.0 or the fourth industrial revolution in this region.
This is our laser machine. in preparing our laser cutting machine, there are 3 things we need to remember. The first thing is we need to make sure that there's enough CO2 available for the next user. This is the laser machine glass tube. This is the source that enables the machine to cut the material. When this runs out, the machine won't be able to cut the material and will definitely need to be replaced. The second thing is to make sure that all the joints are working properly. And in this part, we're gonna need to lubricate those pulleys. The first thing is we will going to use WD-40 as our lubricant. Spray each corner, or rather the pulleys that are always working for the nozzle to move around the working area of the machine. The third thing is we need to make sure that the metal bars of the machine is clean. These dusty metal bars serves as the bed of the laser cutting machine. Just like what I have mentioned, this is where we place our material when we use the machine for cutting.